Really?
Awesome. A lot of CDs.
So yeah, this is behind the scenes of FJJ.
Room for some CDs.
We got all the props here, this bag. And we're getting ready to go to the witch's hut again.
Wait.
Blooper. Ow. It needs to be about 6 inches over.
It's a lot.
I can't go. Barely, yeah.
Alright, go. Okay, action.
Is it for me?
Yep. Action.
Oh, we gotta say action.
I did.
Yeah. Did you just crack the window?
Jacob's driving.
Slow down.
Oh, God.
Ow! Are you filming that?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
We are on the set.
Yeah.
We're on the set here. Look at the sound. It's a cryptid. No, I'm just joking.
That's nasty.
I
Look,
drove
dude,
here,
the
by the
freaking
way.
hummingbird. Look. Look at
drove
the
here, by the
beak.
way.
That's a hummingbird. Jacob, that's not a big achievement. You just
Drove the truck and...
he made me hit my head on the
That's
roof of the truck.
Yeah,
Look at him.
I got that on camera.
That's
We
like,
went full speed at a bump.
that's like the second time I've ever driven in my life.
Okay, come here, Jacob. I need to hit you for that. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna see you later.
Steve, does that look creepy over there?
What?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, it does.
You been from Jigsaw, like, sneaking through that.
Yeah, but well, it's supposed to be
I don't wanna put
unexpected
that
then.
on.
Well, oh, so
But-
you're not, so you don't know that
No,
Jigsaw's...
we got flashbacks
Yeah,
of
flashback, yeah.
him. Yeah. So let's action.
Ow, 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 ow. I got out.
Action. Yeah.
Alright, this is behind the scenes of FJJ. And we're at my uncle's old deer blind, which we call the witch's hut. This is Freddy. This is Jason's shack that he finds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now we're getting extra stuff that we forgot last time.
Okay. Just don't film my face. Just film it hitting it by itself. You don't have to.
Okay.
So we're here at the behind the scenes of FJJ. The Burmic and stuff on it. And getting ready to go to the witch's hut.
So something attacked the city 7 hours ago. Okay. My name is Jacob. Approximately 7 hours ago, something attacked the city. My friend, he's badly burned. Oh my God. Now, if you're watching this tape, you probably know more about this than we do.
Oh my God!
Ah!
So we're breaking in this house here.
Yeah.
So we can steal some props for the movie.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Shaky cam.
Oh, thank you, man. Actually, we're getting some whiskey bottles for the witch's hut for Jason's scene.
I'm gonna drive right now.
You sit in the front seat.
Wishing me luck.
You might have to put the seat back for a little bit.
I'm driving. Oh God.
Good luck.
Huh?
Good luck.
Thank you. This is fun. I'm gonna throw on the brake.
We're going down here. Yeah.
Got it. We got it.
That's Jacob's like first time driving.
Actually,
Fourth time driving.
Yeah.
What kind of the trees I have some
Stop.
Perfect.
oh God.
God, Jacob.
I don't under control.
I know, but
I'm sagging.
hey, perfect.
I think
Time to
that's
film.
the part you gotta roll your window.
This is the witch's hut. We're dropping all the stuff. Just gonna put it right here for. We're just gonna film the last scenes of the witch set. So we're gonna go back and get Connor.
Alright,
Yeah, that's the witch set.
Yep.
But yeah, this place would be really good for Captain America Begins. This would be a good location for many of our future films.
Yeah. That'd be awesome, like a fight scene. Knock him, like, and bang the head against a branch and like gets knocked off.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
That would. You watch this, Oh, dang it.
Blair Witch Project. We're all losing our minds here. I don't know what this guy's doing. He's going crazy. What are you doing here? Rocks here. I think we're lost here. This doesn't look familiar.
Run, just stay picture, man.
You got the stores? The stores.
Truck!
Yes, we can get out of here. About to film a Jigsaw scene here. Action.
Do you know a secret technician could like hold it like this and you just film this part and then Jigsaw walks up to it?
Okay. Stand back. So he's behind the scenes. FJJ. We just got through filming now, so you can see his hands are bloody. Big hands.
Oh yeah, my hands.
I'm gonna take out this blade.
Take out the ball cap.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Better?
It's better.
Yeah.
Well,
Yep.
so hopefully part 1 should be done now.
Yep. Part 1's, we're basically done filming part 1. Now he has to edit it.
Yeah, figure out problem with my laptop.
Yeah. Yeah, is that it?
I guess so.
Alright. See you next time.
Action.